A CNC laser machine is a type of machining tool that uses laser technology to cut, engrave, or drill materials. It is a numerical control system that allows the machine to operate automatically according to pre-programmed instructions. Combined with laser technology, the CNC laser machine can cut or engrave materials such as metal, wood, plastic, glass, and stone with high precision. Key features of CNC laser machines. Laser technology. The machine uses a laser beam to directly impact the material, creating very high temperatures to cut, engrave, or drill. High precision. CNC laser machines can perform machining with extremely high accuracy, enabling the creation of complex and intricate details. Fast machining speed. CNC laser machines are often capable of machining at high speeds, helping to save time compared to traditional machining methods. Ability to process multiple materials. CNC laser machines can work with a variety of materials, from metals, wood, to plastics and fabrics. No physical contact. Since the laser uses a beam, the machining process does not require physical contact with the material, reducing wear on cutting tools and extending the machine's lifespan. Applications of CNC laser machines. Metal cutting. CNC laser machines are widely used in the metal cutting industry, such as cutting steel, aluminum, stainless steel, etc. Wood and plastic engraving. CNC laser machines can also engrave intricate details on wood, plastic, and soft materials. Precision component manufacturing. These machines are used to produce small components with high precision, especially in industries like electronics, automotive, and aerospace. Jewelry engraving. Laser technology is also applied in engraving fine details on jewelry items. CNC laser machines are powerful tools in modern manufacturing and machining industries, offering high efficiency and minimizing errors in the production process.